Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make and can plum jam updated. Start by selecting ripe plums, wash them, pit and chop to even pieces. Combine fruit, sugar, and lemon juice in a heavy pot and bring to a rolling boil. Skim foam, test set with a cold plate, and fill hot sterilized jars leaving proper headspace. Process jars in a boiling water bath for the recommended time. Gather your ingredients and equipment before heating the stove and pots. Wash, pit, and chop plums into uniform pieces so they cook evenly. Have measured sugar, lemon juice, and pectin ready, and preheat a wide pot to combine everything. Sterilize jars and keep lids warm until ready. Working with hot jam moves quickly, so set up a draining rack near the stove and wear oven mitts to handle hot jars safely. Bring the fruit and sugar mixture to a full rolling boil, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Reduce the foam and carefully test for set using a chilled plate or a thermometer when appropriate. Ladle hot jam into sterilized jars, leaving headspace, wipe rims, center lids, and tighten bands fingertip snug. Lower jars into a boiling water bath and process for the exact time listed in your recipe to ensure safety and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.